one thing that we definitely can't do for...
I've not been reading his tweets and I'm nobody to comment on.
I often wonder why I love the show, because it's such a hard, cruel world in Game of Thrones, and there are so few likable people in the show, but I'm absolutely obsessed with the show, and I have my favorites, and I'm really looking forward to seeing what this new season will bring, because last time things were quite up in the air, and I think this season is going to be quite a decider for a lot of people. So I love the show and I can't wait to watch the whole season.
Kiran, what does India have to learn from shows like these, which will please relax in our shows?
I think the way they've built up character, of course this is drawn from the book, so I suppose we could have done that, but one thing that we definitely can't do for I don't know how many decades to come is the kind of visual spectacle that they create for television. I mean, American television is just at another level of storytelling, but in terms of visual spectacle, I don't think, and the kind of production value that this show has, I don't think any show comes close to it.
Kiran, one question is not from this event, but since Twitter is such a social networking site and it's the medium through which you guys reach the audience, but I just want to know, have you read the latest tweet by Ram Gopal Varma?
No, I'm not on Twitter, and I've been thinking of getting on Twitter at some point, but I'm not on Twitter yet.
That's fine. Thank you.
मैं खुशी में देखना चाह रहा हूँ कहाँ लेके गए सीजन 5 में, और सबसे अच्छी बात है कि इंडिया में साइमल्टेनियसली आ रहा है, पता नहीं कटा कितना है.
No, nothing.
That's unbelievable.
ये सीरीज अगर बात करें इंडियन ड्रामेटिक जो हमारे यहाँ पे सीरीज होते हैं बहुत अलग है, तो आपको क्या लगता है हमें क्या सीखना चाहिए सब सीरीज?
हमें तो पहले ये सीखना चाहिए, हमें पहले HBO से सीखना चाहिए कि टेलीविजन कैसे क्रिएट करें.
Anurag sir, it's not from this event, just one question. You have been working with Ram Gopal Varma over a decade now. What do you think about his tweets? Don't you think it's too depressing for his fans to read his tweets like this?
I have not been reading his tweets and I am nobody to comment on him. Everything that I know he's taught me. I have not read his tweets. When I'll read that, I'll have the context and I'll probably comment on that.
My favorite TV show hai. My favorite character is the dwarf, because I'm a short man myself, and I like that anybody can die in any episode at any time. It's like Parliament; anybody can be thrown out. So that's why I like it.
I like to say about of course, who doesn't like GOT? Massive Game of Thrones fan. Whoa! These look like all those swords where you kind of put your heads on, and I feel like my head's going to be on all of these mics. Well, of course, I'm super happy to be here for Game of Thrones, and I can't wait to see it. I can't believe that I'm getting to get the sneak preview of the first episode of season 5. So yeah, can't wait to get my Khaleesi on.
What do you like most about this series, Game of Thrones? What do you like
everything about it. I think the way it's written, most importantly, I think it's a fantastic series. Brilliantly written. It's brilliantly shot. It's got state-of-the-art, effects. The characters, the actors are brilliant. Their costumes. I think it's one of the shows which is so flawless. It kind of just keeps you on the edge of the seat. And of course, each and every character is iconic. They're going to definitely go down in history, and it's something which I think our next generations, even though if the season ever gets over, that this is a season or this is a show which kids and next generations will keep watching, and I think that's fantastic.
Okay, last question apart from this event. Recently, Maharashtra government has stated that in multiplex there will be compulsory show timing of 6 to 9 prime time. for Marathi movies.
Okay,
So
which is
what's your take?
fantastic. I think it's brilliant. I did my Marathi film which I released a year ago was Kurukshetra, and unfortunately it probably didn't have that kind of show timings in multiplexes. Well, I hope for all the movies that come out now, especially regional films, they get a slot for that, because at the end of the day, it's art, it's cinema, and all kinds of cinema needs to be promoted and given the kind of space it needs. All right?
Thank you so much.
Thanks so much.